Every cell needs energy, and cellular respiration is how it gets it. In this lesson, we will break down the stages of aerobic respiration and see how ATP is made. ATP powers everything from building proteins to moving molecules across membranes and contracting muscle fibers. Because ATP is unstable and can't be stored in large amounts, cells must constantly regenerate it. Cellular respiration converts the chemical energy in glucose into ATP, the cell's usable energy currency, through a series of enzyme-controlled reactions. NAD+ and FAD shuttle high-energy electrons to the electron transport chain, where most ATP is made. ATP itself is the immediate energy source for cellular work. Glycolysis splits glucose into two pyruvate molecules, producing a small but vital ATP yield and reducing NADH for later stages. Two ATP are spent early to destabilize glucose, but four are made later for a net gain of 2 ATP. The link reaction connects glycolysis to the Krebs cycle, producing acetyl coenzyme A or acetyl-CoA for the next stage. The Krebs cycle completes glucose breakdown, generating electron carriers and releasing CO2. Each turn of the cycle produces one acetyl coenzyme A, regenerating the starting molecule. Electrons from NADH and FADH2 power the proton pumps, creating a gradient across the membrane. Protons flow back through the ATP synthase, producing ATP. Oxygen accepts electrons, forming water. Most ATP comes from oxidative phosphorylation in the electron transport chain. Without oxygen, cells rely on fermentation to regenerate NAD+, producing far less ATP. Photosynthesis and respiration are complementary. One's outputs are the other's inputs. Let's check your answers. Glycolysis happens in the cytoplasm. Oxygen's, oxygen's job is to act as the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain, combining it with electrons and protons to form water. The stage that produces the most ATP is the electron transport chain through oxidative phosphorylation. And in total, aerobic respiration yields about 36 to 38 ATP per glucose molecule in eukaryotic cells. If you nailed all four questions, you're in great shape.